A very good morning to you all, children. Let us continue with the endocrine system. Last class we had discussed about the pituitary gland. Next we have the most important gland, thyroid gland. Where it is located? In the neck. Got it? In the neck region between the trachea and the larynx. It is very important, and the hormone secreted by the thyroid gland is thyroxine. Clear? For its formation, we require the mineral iodine. Now, what happens if there is less secretion of thyroxine from the thyroid gland? In children, it causes cretinism. What are the symptoms? You find that the child shows stunted growth. Stunted growth means very short height, and there is poor mental development. In the case like the child may be of 10-year-old age or maybe 7 to 8 years, but maybe like 2 or 3 years, whatever, autism. So all these are made due to that is hormonal disbalance, that is thyroxine. Yeah. Now in the adult, what does it cause? The deficiency of thyroxine causes the disease myxedema. What are the symptoms? How will you know in an adult person? There is swelling of face and hands. You must have often heard in adults saying that they are having thyroid problem. Even if they don't eat, that is overeat, their body becomes swollen. They become extra overweight. Got it? So swelling of face and hands, and they get tired very easily, and then sluggishness. Sluggishness means whatever physical activity they do, they are become very tired, lethargic, not taking active part. So thick coarse hair and sluggishness. Sluggishness, what did I say? It means that very slow in doing or performing a particular activity. Right? It can be the mental activity or the physical activity. They take a long period to complete that task. Clear? Now, sometimes apart from this is the deficiency of thyroxine in the body, cretinism and myxedema. Then there is one more deficiency due to lack of iodine in the diet. That is called as goiter. But this is not because of less amount of thyroxine. It is because of, indirectly it is there. Because if iodine is less amount in your diet, the food that you eat, in that case, the person suffers from goiter, and the symptom is swollen neck. Clear? Now let's come to adrenal gland. Adrenal gland, you have the kidney. Suppose this is the kidney. You have studied in, just a rough diagram I am making. Then in this, the cap-like structure, got it? This cap-like structure above the kidney is called as adrenal gland. It is also very important. It consists of adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla, but you have to study only about adrenal medulla. What the hormone? They produce the hormone adrenaline or epinephrine. In your exam you may be asked, what is epinephrine? Don't get confused. It is adrenaline. Now, this adrenaline also is very important. It is called as emergency hormone. Why? Because it is released during emergency situation. Situation like means what? Stress condition. It can be fear, it can be anger, it can be grief. Grief means sorrow. Got it? So what happens? Adrenal gland, apart from emergency hormone, it is also known as fear or fight hormone. Got it? That is fear or fight hormone. In some books you can find that it is also written as flight hormone. Got it? Now what happens? Some people get angry very easily. Got it? That's what do we say? That is because whenever such situation comes of stress, their adrenaline from the adrenal gland flows in large amount, more amount. So these people get angry very fast. Got it? So what happens? They are also called as fear or fight hormone or flight hormone. That means what? In any situation, suppose someone says you anything, often we get angry. But some of you can find in your class also, if someone teases also, they don't react. But they just leave, keep the situation normal. Then you take the case of, yes, if you see a snake in your park while you are walking, what do? The first thing, fear, isn't it? Adrenaline is secreted. At that time, it is your fear. Either you run away to the situation, or what do? You pick up a stone and kill the snake. That is what? Fight. So, adrenaline is also known as fear or fight hormone or flight hormone or emergency hormone. Why? Because it is secreted during emergency situation. Now, what is the symptom? You find that a person who is in anger. What is it? You find that the face becomes red. Isn't it? Sometimes if you have done a major mistake, you don't study well, your parents are after you and then you bring such a result, very poor marks, maybe 0 or 1, sometimes your parents get very angry, isn't it? So in that case, you have broken a very valuable gift or a vase at your home. In that case, your parents might be angry. So normally what do you find? There is increased heartbeat rate, blood pressure and so on. The heartbeat becomes faster. Got it? So these are some of the symptoms. Since adrenaline is secreted in more amount. Now let's come to pancreas. Pancreas are also known as heterocrine. Clear? Because they secrete pancreatic juice also, exocrine gland, and the endocrine gland part is the isolate cells of Langerhans. Clear? They secrete 2 hormones. Adrenal gland also secretes 2 hormones. Adrenaline or epinephrine or non-adrenaline. Since it is not there in your syllabus, I have not discussed that. So pancreas, isolate cells of Langerhans are the endocrine part. They secrete 2 hormones, insulin and glucagon. Insulin lowers the blood glucose level. That means the sugar or the glucose of your blood, that is kept in check because of the hormone insulin. Extra glucose is stored in the liver. Now what about the glucagon? It raises the blood glucose level. That means when your body again requires energy, in that case the glycogen is converted into glucose and then it is broken down in the process of respiration, it is released. Clear? Now what happens? If there is deficiency of insulin in the diet, it causes a disease called as diabetes, common name. The technical term or medical term is diabetes mellitus. What happens? The blood glucose level increases, that can be checked, and glucose starts appearing in the urine. Clear? So these are the main, you can say, endocrine glands that you have to study. Apart from that, you have in your chapter the table. Just go through the table. This table is important. The symptoms are there, location is there. Since you are going to have your online test also, so go through these symptoms and then this part. Growth hormone, antidiuretic hormone. This is secreted again by pituitary gland that controls the secretion of urine. Thyroid gland also helps in basal metabolic rate, that it helps in the metabolism of the chemical processes taking place within our body. Adrenal gland also known as emergency hormone, and the testes and the ovaries, they secrete sex hormones. Got it? Testosterone and estrogen or progesterone. So that is all. Go through the table, children. If you have a read of the chapter once, and in the table, if you remember the table, you can answer any type of questions. Clear? Because symptoms are also written of the deficiency disease. What happens in case of deficiency of a particular hormone, and the location also. Apart from that, you can go through the characteristics of hormone. So if you have any doubt, you can write to me. We can clear it in the doubt classes. So stay home.